Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 and I'm going to show you how we can put screen protector on this device. So let's open our box, and here we have the smartphone. So we are going to apply tempered glass on this device. Let's put it like that. It will be really good if you turn off your device. So click and hold the power button. Okay, it's only the power off. Let's click power off. Tap here, confirm. And right now let's move to the screen protector. So we have to open box when we can find screen, tempered glass and wipes. So take a look here. Here we got two wipes, wet and the dry, and also tempered glass. So what we have to do for the first, we have to prepare a good source of light. Like in my case, we have to clean this mess that we have on the screen, the fingerprints and other stuff. So let's make it. Let's start from wet wipe. Do it slowly. Make gestures like that. We have to move it in the circle. And then when it's finished, we can go for the dry. Okay, just take a look on the screen. As you can see, it looks really good. Here we have some kind of the dust, but we can easily remove it by making gestures like that with our wipe. And of course, if you have duct tape or some kind of the stickers, you can also use it to take off this dust from the screen. It will also work, so just depend on what you want. I'm making this with our wipe, and right now we can move to our screen protection. So let's grab it, and at the first we have to take off this foil. So let's make it, do it slowly. Okay, and right now we can aim to the screen. Here we got the notch, so let's try to put it in the best position. And as you can see, it looks really cool. We have to keep holding the bottom part, and then we have to press right here with our finger, and we can put the bottom part. And as you can see, it goes automatically. We can press with finger to do it faster. And as you can see, here it is on the screen. Then use your wipe. And as you can see, here it is. And if you want to take off this kind of the, I don't know even how I can call it, it's just bad quality of the product, and this glue is don't stick to the screen, but we can make it by pressing with the finger like that. So as you can see, it's not anymore here in the places when I just press with my finger. And of course you can make it on the full screen. So if you press, as you can see, it disappears. It's not air under the screen. It's just bad quality of the product, and it doesn't stick well at the first, but when you press like I do, as you can see, it just disappears. And we can also make it here. And right now we can turn on our device. And as you can see, our device is working. And there we get no problem with the touch interaction, so it works really good. So yeah, I can recommend you this kind of the tempered glass. And of course, this one was very cheap. It was about £25, so very cheap. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.